Telecel reneged on an agreement brokered back in June 2013 to pay $137.5 million in license fees in staggered installments. So far, the company is yet to honor its payment obligations under the arrangement, prompting government to cancel it. However, government, keen to avoid a crisis, has not barred the company from operating. The Minister of Information Communication Technology made the following statement. Effectively, this means that they are operating without a license. In fact, they have not had a license anyway. The reason why we are allowing them to operate is simply because we acknowledge that as a business, they employ Zimbabweans. They have subscribers who, if we take drastic action, will be inconvenienced. Government plans to identify a new investor to take over Telecel, which has also not complied with indigenization laws. The company is jointly owned by international telecoms group VimpelCom, which has a 60% stake, and Empowerment Corporation, a consortium of indigenous investors with 40% equity. The local shareholders are currently embroiled in a messy ownership wrangle that has spilled into the courts. The Empowerment Group was meant to represent several interest groups including women and Liberation War veterans, but individuals are now battling for control. The fight places the spotlight on the country's already controversial indigenization laws.
It doesn't really augur well in terms of the objectives, the original intended objectives of the indigenization and economic empowerment, which is really to empower the indigenes, who are the people that were marginalized before independence. These are the ordinary people. It also affects even confidence within Zimbabwe among investors.
Government plans to call a meeting of both local and international shareholders this week to update them on the current situation and chart the way forward. Those talks could be crucial for the company's more than 2.5 million subscribers who, despite government assurances, may still be contemplating ditching their SIM cards and making the switch to another network. Farai Mwakutuya, CCTV, Harare, Zimbabwe.